Farming English channel. So today I've come to a place where you're gonna learn about milking cows and buffaloes. That too through a machine, not a human hand. So let's meet Aisha, who's gonna tell us more about it. So hi Aisha, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please do tell us about this milking machine and why did you come up with this idea? What was it?
Other, if you see, our company's name is Go Seva Agro. So we thought of this that we should serve Go Seva. So we will serve cows and buffaloes. We will try to give them a very good and hygienic thing which don't harm their teeth and all. So rather, if you see the milking machines which the farmer use, it doesn't harm cows and buffaloes. So the milking is very smooth. They feel like a very massaging process. While milking from the hands, the teeth gets damaged because of the nails and all. And the milk, if you see, that is very unhygienic. So we thought of giving some idea to the farmers that will make their work so easy for them. So we thought of this idea and we brought the milking machine concept into the market. And so now if you see, we are delivering the machines in 2014, and now this year we have delivered 10,000 plus machines to the farmers.
Wow, that's great knowing
Yeah.
actually. That's a huge number guys, 10,000 in just a couple of years. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section. And I had one more question Aisha, that why did you guys think of, milking this procedure? As you said that nails or something, gets hit to the cow and they are not milking that much.
Even the milk doesn't be hygienic to the cow. We are the people who drink milk, right? So
Right.
while milking by hand, it is very unhygienic process which we do, because if you sneeze and all those germs go in the milk, which is very unhygienic for us. So to avoid this, the milking machine is the best use we can do it.
And is there any benefit for the cow as well?
Yeah, it just gives it a massage feeling. So while milking through hands, it is just a harmful process for her also. Yeah.
Okay. Also, apart from that, is there anything else or anything beneficial or anything that is gonna come in future about this machine, or how is the normal customer getting benefited?
So rather, if you see, we are just launching one single concept in future that is like a milking parlor system, which will be automated milking parlor system.
Okay.
Like if you see, these are all manual things which we are going to do, like washings and all. So we are going to launch that machines also, which will be totally automated. So the farmer will be it will be very easy for him to do it. Yeah.
That's good to know. But apart from that,
Yeah.
like as I said, in the advancements or something like that.
Yeah, we will try to improve bring something new for the farmers. And even if you see, what we have did is we have made a one complete stop for dairy farmers. So if you come to Godin, then you will get everything. Like if you want to set up a dairy farm, you will get a milking machine, cream separators, like butter churning, feeding bottles, cow mats, everything.
Everything is available over here.
Yeah.
One stop for all these things.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Can you just tell the company name once more to our viewers?
Yeah, it's Go Seva Agro Industries and our brand is Godin Milking Machine.
Where is it located?
It's in Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay. Is it available online and offline both?
Yeah, it's available everywhere. It's available on Amazon. We have our own e-commerce website, and we have our call center. Through them also, the farmers could order our machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have a question to you from the side of farmers.
Okay.
So what if the farmers are telling that why should we adapt to this when we can normally do things like that? What if they say, okay, we are clean, we are hygienic,
Yeah.
but still why? What is the benefit of us?
If you see the milking process, this just takes 5 minutes for milking. So it is time efficient for them also. And if you see, while milking through hand, if the cow gets adopted to hand, it is very hard for other persons to milk. So if you go through milking machine, any of the farmers or any family members can milk. So this is the main concern for milking machine, using a milking machine.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
really great. Like it's easy for everyone. Anyone can do it.
Anyone can do, because once cow gets attached to a single person, she won't give milk to any other persons who will come suddenly and he will try to milk. She won't do that.
Wow.
So if you adopt with milking machine, then it is very easy for her to milk.
Amazing. This is something new which I actually got covered right now. That cow will not allow strangers or any other person the amount of milk it is used to. So the milking machine actually provides that kind of feeling where the cow actually likes it. Like it's a massaging feeling, and the cow also enjoys it. And the cow itself is, I think, gets confused that is it the same person or is it someone else? If the farmer is ordering the machine, where should he or she order it from?
So basically, we have a telecalling team. The farmer has to call us. So our telecalling team will tell them like how many cows they have, So they will tell us, okay, I am having 5 cows. So they will suggest a good kind of machine to them. Like you can take GS 150, GS 200, whatever the number of cows he is having. Accordingly, he just have to pay 3,000 rupees, and then he have to just book the machine. Then rest of the amount will be cash on delivery when he'll receive the machine at his own place.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
But apart from that, what about the machine if he does not understand anything about the machine?
For that purpose, we have video calling service support. So he just have to make a video call to our technical team. They will give him a video call, and then everything will be made him understand through a video call procedure only. So we have made the videos of assembly, how to wash, how to milk, apply to cows and buffaloes. So it will be very easy for him to understand. Yeah.
That's good. Any other? Would you like to share the customer reviews or something?
Yeah, if how it's not my concern, but if you could go rather and search for Godhan, you will definitely get a best review out of it. More than 10,000 plus customers we have. You could check us, you could call us, and they will definitely be a happy customer for using Godhan milking machine.
And one last question to you: that how is it different from the other products?
If you see, firstly, it's very cost efficient. We have a 24/7 call center support. So this is the main factor which we are helping. Because if you see the farmer, he will wake up at 4 o'clock, and if he'll face any problem in the machine, then it will be like, oh, now where I have to go, because the cow has adopted the milking machine. So at that time also, if you could call us, we are available. In the evening time also, we are available. So it will be very easy for farmers to if he has any problems. So it is very easy for him to resolve the problems.
That's great. That's great, Aisha. I would say hands off to you and your team who are
Yeah.
doing such an amazing job
Yeah,
and
thank you
helping
so
out our Indian farmers. It's a really good work you guys are doing, and the equipments and everything will be mentioned on our link. Apart from that, until the next time, happy farming. And keep watching our channel Freedom Farming English. Thank you, Aisha.
Thank you.